What is the growth path of a corporate sales executive?
Well, I started as an executive and I think I fared quite well in a short span of time. Well, the growth path can be multifold. There was a traditional way initially wherein we began as executives, always stayed within the same frame of sales and marketing. So moved from an executive to an assistant manager to a deputy manager to an associate director of sales to director of sales to a cluster director. So that is what we would define as the traditional path. Today, for example, in hospitality, there is also a very conventional path of growing, which I would call as a zigzag path and a career growth, which makes you actually the master of not just sales and marketing, but also the other allied departments of sales and marketing. So for example, myself, I began my career actually with operations. I did a little bit of front office, I did my check-ins and check-outs. I then started handling a restaurant, so I zigzagged to a food and beverage department. Took charge of a restaurant as a restaurant manager and then again zigzagged back as a concierge. Started handling travel desk, car fleet management and all of that, and then again zigzagged to sales. So when I look at my career path, I've kind of gone the zigzag route, but when I compare myself today with a lot of my peers, I am equivalent, if not better, in terms of where I am positioned as heading sales and marketing for the Western. Again, sales and marketing, you all, if you ever choose it as a career, would be extremely lucky because the basics of sales and marketing are always the same. The client and the product. The client can keep changing, the product can keep changing, but till you understand these two basics and how to handle them and sell them, you'll be successful. So even if today you want to start with hospitality, digress to maybe a pharmaceutical company, then move into a manufacturing industry and come back to hospitality, you can be rest assured till you are within the framework of sales and marketing, you will continue growing.